Good day, beautiful people. I'm Justina and welcome back to my channel, DIY Natural Skincare. So today we're gonna make a DIY lanolin lip balm. I love using lanolin, although this is not vegan friendly product because it is extracted from the sheep wool, but lanolin, it's super good. It moisturizes your skin, it hydrates your skin, it nourishes your skin. It's super good, especially if you have super dry, flaky, dehydrated skin. And lips are one of this part of the body, especially mine, where would be picking them from time to time. They get dry super fast, so the lanolin, it's #1 ingredient when I use on my lips. And I love this lip balm, because it's, as I said, it's super moisturizing, it's super hydrating, it's light, and yeah, it's a super ingredient for your lips and for the rest of the skin. Other ingredients, what we're gonna use in here, it is some unrefined shea butter. Shea butter, as we know as well, it's super good for your skin. It nourishes, moisturizing your skin. As we know, it's #1 butter. Then I have in here a Candelilla Wax. Candelilla Wax, if you don't have it's a plant-based wax, but if you don't have Candelilla Wax, you can use a beeswax or any other wax. Candelilla Wax gives this glossy look on your lips, so I really like to use Candelilla Wax. And another one ingredient I have in here, a coconut oil. I love coconut oil. It gives this kind of richness for your lips, and creates this barrier. As well, if you don't have coconut oil, if you think it's too much for your lips, use some lighter oils, use jojoba oils or sweet almond oil, or even olive oil is very good for your lips as well. Vitamin E, as always, 1% of vitamin E. Then I have in here a 1% of Peppermint Essential Oil. Peppermint Essential Oil I'm using because lanolin, it's from itself, it has this kind of smell, and to kill that not really nice smell, I'm using a Peppermint Essential Oil, because if you will use some lighter essential oils like lavender or I don't know, some other lighter essential oils, then you might still feel the lanolin. But if you don't like Peppermint Essential Oil, feel free to adjust to any other essential oil which you like and which you prefer. So guys, no further ado, let's go and make this super nourishing, moisturizing, hydrating lanolin DIY lanolin lip balm. Well guys, so these are the ingredients what you're gonna need. I have in here everything weighted out. So in here it is a lanolin, 10% of the formula, so it's 2 grams of lanolin weighted out. In here I have unrefined organic shea butter. Shea butter, it's 35% of the whole formula, so it's 7 grams. So I'm just gonna transfer it into this larger beaker, shea butter. Okay, now what I will transfer as well, I have in here a Candelilla Wax. Candelilla Wax is 10% of the formula, so it's 2 grams of the Candelilla Wax. And as well in here I have a coconut oil. Coconut oil, it's 43% of the whole formula, which is 8.6 grams of the coconut oil. And in here I have a mixture of vitamin E and Peppermint Essential Oil, 1% vitamin E and 1% of Peppermint Essential Oil, which is 0.2 grams, which we're gonna add later on. So now all this mixture, wax, lanolin, butter, oil, we're gonna put on we're gonna heat it up, we're gonna melt everything out. Well, so everything melted out, waxes, butters, lanolin, oils, everything melted out. Now it's still too hot to add our sensitive ingredients, which is essential oil and vitamin E. So we're gonna just wait it out to cool it off for a while before we gonna put in these little tubes. Well, the mixture, it's cooled off and it begins to settle down, like, you know. So what we're gonna do, I'm just gonna add now my essential oil and vitamin E mixture, which is sensitive ingredients, which you're supposed to put them only under the 40 degrees Celsius mixture. And yeah, we're just gonna put it and transfer into these little tubes. I use peppermint essential oil. I love it. The smell, you see, lanolin, it has a really strong smell. So if you will use soft essential oils, maybe like lavender or some other soft essential oils, you will be still able to smell lanolin. But if you will use peppermint essential oil or any other of the stronger essential oils, then you won't be able to really smell lanolin. So yeah. Okay, the one is here. And one more. So that's it. I'm gonna leave it aside for about like few hours of minimum, just to let it to set up properly, and I will see you in a few hours. Well guys, welcome back. So it's been good few hours here and I have them here. So it's like the color, it's a light yellow color, and we'll just open one. Okay, you can smell the really strong kind of smell of the peppermint essential oil. I used 1% of peppermint essential oil, and I used a doTERRA peppermint essential oil, which is, you know, doTERRA oils are very like strong in smell. So if it will be too strong for you, so maybe use 0.5% of the whole formula. Oh yeah. This is super light. It's so moisturizing, you know, because it's coconut oil here. It's oily, it's very moisturizing. It smells amazing. It's easy, simple to use in this little tube. I love it how it feels on the lips. It's light, you can feel a bit oily, but it's light. I love it. Wow. And lanolin, of course. So just guys, use lanolin. It's very good for your lips, and this is super cool, tiny, right? And yeah, and I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Give a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I see you next week. Bye.